time, para mas maintindihan po, let us try an example. Okay, so using the triangle inequality theorem, let us check if 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 10 centimeter can form a triangle. Step 1, let us identify the value of A, B, and C. So, ang A natin, anak, yung pinakamababa. Ano po yun? Okay, the value of A is 4. Followed by, what is the value of C? Very good, 7. And the value of C is 10. That is step 1. Identify the value of A, B, and C. Then after that, get the sum of the two sides. O, start tayo kay A and B. So first, sum of two sides. So A and B, what is A? 4. What is B? Okay, 4 plus 7, 11. And then ano yung third side natin? Ano, compare the two numbers. 11 is greater than 10. O meron na tayo sa greater than. So pasok na po yan. Next, ang i-add naman natin, si B at C. What is B? What is C? Okay, 7 plus 10, 17. Ano yung third side? Okay, ito po yun. What can you say about the two numbers? Okay, 17 is greater than 7. O another greater than. Check ulit yan. Next, ano po ang i-add natin? Last one, A and C. 4 plus 10. 4 plus 10. Okay, and the third side is? Compare. 14 and 7. 14 is greater than 7. Ilang greater than meron? Okay, so therefore, kapag meron tayong tatlong greater than, we can say that we can form a triangle. So may ginalaw ba tayong straw? So wala, nag-add lang tayo.